Good morning. This is Granny B, and I live in Fort Smith, Arkansas. Today I'm going to do a shout out to Tammy at Little Jordan Farms. She sent me some wonderful seeds, and it's beginning to be time that I can plant them now. I didn't want to plant them too early because we were having so much rain and I was having so much trouble getting anything to sprout. But I think I've finally got that situated. So I sent Tammy a little comfrey plant, which didn't make it, by the way, and I'm sorry, Tammy, but I will be sending you another one, and we hope that this one makes it fine. But Tammy has a channel called Little Jordan Farm. She's in Tennessee, and she is very knowledgeable on herbal medicines and foraging and gardening in general. But here we have what she just sent me, and I went ahead and took it out of the package and planted it because it needed to be planted right away. It's two little rooted plants of jewel weed, because on my food foraging, one of my food foraging videos, they warned me to be careful of poison ivy. But anywhere you might have poison ivy, jewel weed grows next to it. And so jewel weed takes care of the sting of poison ivy. Then she also sent me several seeds of calendula. I looked that up to see just exactly what calendula was, and it's a powerhouse, so I'm going to be real protective of those seeds. Then she gave me some wormwood, borage, and stinging nettle. And she said, thanks again, I'm sending your jewel weed and calendula seed. And she didn't have very many to share, but she should have more this fall. So we are real happy to be getting it, and thank you, Tammy. I will be planting some of all of this today, and this one looks wonderful. I'm going to put that aside and just go ahead and touch on what else I'm going to do today. By request, I have had someone ask to set up my sewing machine and show how to thread it and get it ready to work. And I'm going to also be giving some tips on what I do when I set up my machine. So stay tuned for that. And then we'll go right into, I have another request of someone who had picked up on one of my last videos where I had made the slip out of a t-shirt, and she wants me to do the whole thing. That one's going to take a while, but we'll get started on it today, and maybe we can finish it. But for Frank, you're going to get your how to set up your sewing machine. And Tammy, we thank you so much for your mail call, and y'all have a good day.